special dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The streetways are wide, to the world where we glide. From the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. journey knows no bounds. In this liquid galaxy, unity resounds. Streaming through.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Bernaldo de Quiros Gómez. I am from Pozuelo de Alarcón, Madrid, Spain, and I am currently in my second year of computer engineering at Universidad Francisco Vitoria. The proposal I have submitted for the Google Summer of Code 2025 with Liquid Galaxy is called RoboStream. The main goal of RoboStream is to create a robust real-time system for extracting and visualizing telemetry data and live video streams from robots. Specifically, this project focuses on the Amiga robot by Farman G, the Lekibu robot, and simulated robots in Gazebo. All this data is presented in an immersive way using the Liquid Galaxy multi-screen visualization platform. With RoboStream, users will be able to monitor the essential status and activity of their robots in real time. The system provides an integrated view of robots' position, environment, and operational parameters, all visualized immersively through Liquid Galaxy. This allows users to follow the robot's movement, observe its surroundings, and track important performance indicators, ensuring a comprehensive and intuitive monitoring experience. The system is built around a Flutter mobile application that connects directly to the robot or their Gazebo-based simulations using the robot operating system. The app subscribes to the relevant sensor data, processes it instantly, and allows users to select which data streams are sent to Liquid Galaxy for visualization. The architecture consists of four main components: Liquid Galaxy for immersive multi-screen visualization, a main server running ROS and managing communication, the robots that can be real or simulated, and a Flutter app-based mobile that serves as the user interface for configuration, monitoring, and control. The app's interface is designed for usability, allowing users to easily connect to robots and Liquid Galaxy activate or deactivate sensors, and also visualize data within just a few taps. RoboStream stands out because it supports both physical and simulated robots, so you can develop, test, and demonstrate the system even without access to real hardware. The mobile app is cross-platform and user-friendly, making advanced robotics monitoring access to everyone. The system is modular and open, built on ROS and Flutter, which means that it's ready for future extensions and community collaboration. RoboStream transforms complex data into clear and practical insights for research, education, and deployment in fields like agriculture. RoboStreams directly addresses the need for interactive, immersive, and accessible robot telemetry visualization. It is ambitious, realistic, with a clear plan and focused user experience and real world impact. RoboStream will empower researchers, developers, and practitioners to monitor and optimize robotic operations more effectively than ever before. Thank you for your attention.
Greetings everyone. My name is Anishka and I'm from Gurgaon, India. I'm currently pursuing a BTech in Computer Science with specialization in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from Dronacharya College of Engineering. The name of my GSoC 2025 proposal is GeoVision AI, AI driven geospatial storytelling. The goal of this project is to make geospatial data more meaningful and immersive by combining AI with Google Earth on Liquid Galaxy. Users will be able to upload KML files or ask questions through text or voice, and the system will generate rich visualizations, narrations, and soundscapes to bring that data to life. For example, if someone wants to explore how Mumbai's coastline has changed over 50 years, they can simply ask. The system will pull historical data, create a 3D transition on Google Earth, and generate a voice explanation with ambient audio, like crashing waves or construction sounds, using AI tools like TensorFlow and Llama 2 via Hugging Face. The data will be handled through a web based interface built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'll use Python on the backend to process KML data and send it to the AI models. The final output, whether it's visuals, summaries, or audios, will be displayed across the multi screen Liquid Galaxy rig for a fully immersive experience. What makes GeoVision AI different is that it doesn't just show maps, it tells a story. It turns raw data into a narrative experience that people can interact with and understand easily. Most tools just display information, mine explains it. The project is about bringing AI with Liquid Galaxy together in a new way. With multimodal interaction, voice, visuals, sounds, and a real time story generation, it opens new doors for education, awareness, and decision making. And everything I've planned is realistic and buildable within GSoC's timeline. I'm really passionate about this idea and I'm excited to contribute to the Liquid Galaxies community and learn from amazing mentors throughout the journey. Thank you so much for considering my proposal.
Hello everyone, my name is Debanjan Naskar and this is my presentation for the GSoC Proposal Defense Day. The title of my proposal is Robotic Simulation for Liquid Galaxy. This project aims to bring robotic simulation into the Liquid Galaxy ecosystem. The goal is to combine the multi-screen immersive power of Liquid Galaxy with real-time robotic control using ROS and Gazebo. The final deliverable, that is the end goal of my project, is a Flutter-based mobile app that lets users remotely control a simulated robot in any Liquid Galaxy rig. They will also be able to view the robot's movements or environment in real time, and then they can send any commands that the robot allows and instantly see the results. Now, this makes it perfect for demonstrations, educations, or even hobby level purposes. Now let's get to the technical structure of this project. There are three main components for this project: the Flutter app, the Liquid Galaxy rig, obviously, and the most important for this project, that is the server. So this server runs a gazebo simulated environment and there are multiple cameras in it. For example, in a 5 screen rig, 5 virtual cameras are placed side by side to create panoramic views of the environment. Each of these camera feeds are then converted to web RTC streams, that is video streams. So on the Liquid Galaxy rig, what happens is we open in each screen we open a Chrome instance showing one web RTC stream that is designated for that screen. This forms a panoramic view of the robot's world in the Liquid Galaxy system. The Flutter app then connects via SSH and WebSockets. SSH is primarily used to manage the Liquid Galaxy setup, and the WebSockets are then used to send commands to the robot through the ROS Bridge server. This ROS Bridge server allows users outside any ROS system to view and send ROS commands to any system through WebSocket. So why this proposal is deserving to be selected and what makes this proposal stand out is its future potential. More gazebo robots and actions can be added over time. There is no limit to it. You can even build your own robots. It can later integrate multiple image processing, deep learning methods, and can even control real world robots like robot dogs and robotic arms. This project transforms Liquid Galaxy into an interactive robotics laboratory kind of, and opens it up to developers, educators, and new enthusiasts. Choosing this proposal means taking a bold new path for this organization with lasting impact. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Devgadani and I am in the final year of my bachelor degree in the 8th sem. So I am here to present my project proposal. So my project was based on 3D approach porting into Liquid Galaxy. So my goal is to display a 3D approach game in the manner like Liquid Galaxy display the Google Earth. So I will be putting it to the multiple Liquid Galaxy screen. After that, I will be using WebSocket or Socket.io to communicate with each screen and in the real time. Instead of displaying the commands in the form of text, we are using TDS, text to speech technology, to pro- to provide more dynamic and engaging experience to user.
Hello, myself Jayavardhan Shukla, and I am currently a final year undergraduate student at Vishwesharaya National Institute of Technology, which is situated in Maharashtra, India. So I am originally from Lucknow, and currently I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology degree from VNIT. So in college, I am an active member of Google Developer Group VNIT Nagpur, as well as the Google Developer Group Nagpur, and I have participated in Google community events such as the DevFest, as well as multiple developer conferences and hackathons across India. So I have over basic 5 years of experience in building mobile applications. I have been doing that since my high school time, and I have completed 3 internships in Flutter, which had provided me hands-on expertise in cross-platform mobile development. So I'm also proficient in machine learning, data-driven technologies. So this basically makes me particularly excited about contributing to Liquid Galaxy this via GSoC this summer. So for GSoC 25, I have submitted my proposal titled Google Research Open Buildings Data Visualization under the Liquid Galaxy organization. So the core objective of this project is to build a Flutter-based mobile application that allows the users to visually explore the open buildings dataset in a highly interactive and immersive manner using the Google Liquid Galaxy rig. So here's how it works basically. So the application loads a map which with the titled grid overlay. The users can tap on a specific tile or draw a bounding box to define a geographic region of interest. So the app captures the bounding coordinates and sends the query to the Google Earth Engine API, which basically returns the building footprints present within that selected region. So the return data is parsed and transformed inside the Flutter app into an optimized KML format. So taking care to structure it efficiently for multi-screen recording. So the KML is then transmitted via SSH to the Liquid Galaxy rig, where it is automatically loaded and visualized across the immersive display setup. This allows the users to fly to the specific region and see buildings rendered in the 3D context. So augmented by the metadata like footprint size and density. To ensure the performance, the app will check if the data size is like within a specific defined threshold before sending it to the Liquid Galaxy. This ensures smooth transfer and rendering. If the region exceeds the threshold, then the app will prompt the users to refine or shrink the selected bounding box region. So in the later stages of the project, I plan to incorporate support for the Open Buildings temporal dataset, which is released this year itself. This allows the app to fetch building data year by year from 2016 to 2023. So this converts. We basically plan to convert the data into KML tools, thus enabling users to visually explore how cities and infrastructure have evolved over time across a certain region, the region of interest which a user has selected. This all would be rendered dynamically on the Liquid Galaxy. So thank you for the time and consideration. I look forward for the feedback, and I'm excited to bring this project to life through the GSoC 2025.
Hello, my name is Javier Mancho. I'm from Madrid, Spain, and I'm finishing my computer science degree at the Universidad Francisco de Vitoria. Next year, I will start a master's in artificial intelligence, specialized in natural language processing. The project I'm presenting is called Voice-Driven Robot Goal Assignment System with Liquid Galaxy, which combines the power of Liquid Galaxy with artificial intelligence and AI. The goal of this project is to create a human-machine interface that allows users to control robots in different areas. So Liquid Galaxy will display the location and information of these robots, and the application developed in Flutter will allow the user to select the robot to be controlled and record the voice command. These commands are sent to a speech-to-text model to be transcribed and then interpreted by a fine-tuned LLM, which will convert the instructions into a planning domain definition language problem, which will be solved using a decision-making algorithm like A-star. Then the solution will be sent to the robot using ROS and simulating using Gazebo. Meanwhile, the Liquid Galaxy system shows real-time data, including the robot status and the coordinates and the set of actions that the robots could perform. It will display the simulation. Why is this proposal special? It is special because it combines different AI techniques like LLMs or speech-to-text models to understand users' intention with decision-making algorithms to compute the efficient actions. Besides, it provides a natural way to control robots while offering an immersive visualization using Liquid Galaxy. It is technically ambitious, but achievable because I already have experience in AI and robotics. Thank you for considering my proposal, and I'm really excited about the opportunity to bring this project to life.
Hello, my name is Lucia. I am from Spain and I'm finishing my bachelor's. So my proposal for this year's GSoC is called Liquid Galaxy Master Web and Flutter Application. The main idea for this comes from something I have realized from my years in GSoC. I have been in GSoC for 2 years as a listening mentor, and trying to help the students to keep track of their work. And what I have realized is that sometimes students have really amazing ideas, but they can kind of feel lost on where to start or how to do it. And those very first steps are really important, because if you feel like mentally blocked at that time, it can really affect on how you work and the time limits and everything. So my main idea is to try help them. How would I do that? Well, at the end of this project, I would basically get two outcomes. The first one would be a code archive where the contributors could check the basic things for their app. Like, for example, how the settings bar should look like, how the homepage should look like. It would be a very, very basic structure that wouldn't exactly work, but it would help them see how their code should look like, how it should be structured, etc., etc. Also, many of the contributors may have never worked with Liquid Galaxy. So in this code, it will also be explained with comments, obviously, how their connection with the Liquid Galaxy should work, how a basic connection with Liquid Galaxy should look in the code. And yeah, it's basically to try and help them to do this if they have never done it. And the other outcome would be a written guide that would be basically the code, but with lots of more explanations, with tips from past contributors, with advices from past contributors. And yeah, just to like basically try help as much as possible all the new contributors to help them deliver their work as efficiently as possible. And I think this project is really special because it's basically addressed to every contributor in the future. My idea is that they can use it to kind of know where to start their projects, and yeah, just to like try to make their work as easy as possible, and that they only have to focus on deliver the work, and they know they have a place to start basically.
Hello everyone, I'm Marc Ferran and I'm from Lleida, Spain. I'm currently studying an advanced vocational training program of cross-platform application development at the Lerna Center. I have also studied the intermediate vocational training program of microcomputer systems and networks. Throughout my studies, I have worked on various development projects and focused on mobile and cross-platform applications using Flutter. My proposal for GSoC 2025 is called Data Spaces Frontend for Liquid Galaxy. It's part of the Liquid Galaxy project and aims to create a powerful, intuitive, scalable data visualization system. The main goal is to develop an application that displays data spaces data in the Liquid Galaxy, like for example water usage, streetlights, etc. This data is retrieved in real time from fireware. Using Flutter, I will develop an interface where the users can connect to the Liquid Galaxy, select cities, and filter the data types that will be displayed on the Liquid Galaxy. This data will be presented with marks and charts that can be interacted from the application. This project stands out because it transforms complex data spaces data into clear, interactive visuals in real time. It's fully scalable, so more features and data sources can be added in the future. It also contributes to the Liquid Galaxy ecosystem by creating a use case based on data spaces, an area that is more important than ever. My experience with Flutter, passion for user enjoyment, and my project idea makes me a great choice to be chosen for this year's GSoC. Thank you for considering my proposal. I'm really excited for the opportunity to contribute to GSoC 2025, and I hope that you take me into account.
Hello everybody, my name is Marcus Colapinto and I'm from Lleida, Catalonia. I'm currently in my third year of a dual degree in Computer Engineering and Business Administration at the University of Lleida here in Catalonia. I think this combination gives me both technical knowledge and strategic thinking skills which I apply to solve real-world problems. And this year I would like to participate in the Google Summer Code 2025, and for this I upload my proposal that is called Data Spaces for Liquid Galaxy Backend. Well, the goal of this project is to build a complete and backend system that retrieves, processes, and sends smart city data to a Liquid Galaxy installation that is located in Park Agrobiotech in Lleida. The data comes from 5 APIs and includes indications such as street lighting, water consumption, and possible air quality or traffic density. The backend will be responsible for connecting to fireware, both synchronously and asynchronously, and processing data into KML format, which is the format needed for displaying in Liquid Galaxy. This involves transforming real-time and historical datasets into meaningful elements that can be rendered on the panoramic screen system. One of the key features will be the ability to handle both real and synthetic datasets, allowing tests and demonstrations even when live data isn't available. I, I also implement I will also implement caching mechanisms to optimize performance and reduce unnecessary data fetching. There will also be a recovery system and logging tools to ensure stability and maintainability. I will also be using the server prod framework to structure the full stack development, focusing on clean modular architecture that supports scalability and easy age of the future upgrades. The backend will also include security features such as authentication to protect data integrity and ensure safe access. Some specific types of data that I plan to use is the status and distribution of street lighting points in a city, water consumption per neighborhood to better understanding resource usage patterns, or other smart city data as I need it depending on available APIs and use cases. This proposal stands out because it provides a solid backend infrastructure tailored to Liquid Galaxy, bringing real-time smart city data to life in an immersive environment. It focuses on transforming complex data into a structural and scalable system that supports meaningful real-world applications. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute my backend develop project experience and work with mentors in the open source community. I truly believe this project will strengthen the Liquid Galaxy ecosystem and open new possibilities for smart city visualizations. Thank you for listening, and I hope to be part of the GSoC 2025 with this project.
Hello, my name is Mohit and I am currently a second year undergraduate at National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. The name of my proposal is Martian Climate Dashboard. The goal of my proposal is to create interactive and intuitive visualizations that could be viewed on Liquid Galaxy that shows Martian climate at different time of the year. Uh, my project uses a Flutter-based app that fetches the data from database, processes it, and then shows it on Liquid Galaxy Rig. The data that I use from comes from the Mars Climate database. This database gives data about various parameters like density, temperature, pressure about Mars for both real time and historical data. The special what makes my project special is that it takes in complicated and hard to read data and processes it to make a intuitive and interactive visualization by using KML. My project also incorporates AI or LLMs into the app, which could be used to ask questions or to clear query about the visualization. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to work with Liquid Galaxy and for viewing my proposal. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Tanya Singh from Bangalore, India, and I am a first year student studying AI ML. And my project for the GSoC 2025 is Catastrophe Visualizer. The goal of the project is, real-time disaster visualization and integrating the data, like connecting multiple disaster data sources, and then we are converting that into or representing in a visual interface. And then we are also, enhancing the situational awareness, like understanding the scale, impact, and the data, how this data will be presented, in the Liquid Galaxy is first, we create, you know, we fetch the API data at regular intervals, and then we parse into JSON or XML response into Dart objects, and then we are transforming the geographic data into KML format, and then we are establishing SSH connections to Liquid Galaxy systems, maybe and then we are transferring those KML files and control commands to Liquid Galaxy masternode, and then we are building a responsive UI which help us filtering and exploring the data. um, the things that will be presented in the Liquid Galaxy setup, or what will be displayed, is the earthquake data, the paths, the cyclone paths, the wide spreads, all the things, and the emergency alerts, and those zones, like emergency zones, flood zones, and stuff. Why this project is necessary or special, I would say, is it connects. Okay, I personally love visualizing things to understand them better. So I think this project is a very good way. It makes the thing like visual, like data management easier and simpler to understand for the public level, or anyone can just simply understand them because they are visualized, so it's more easier to understand. It also creates uh, you know educational value or emergency response coordination. There are many benefits of this project, and I personally think it is a very good project that needs to be considered. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Swapnal Dash. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, India. I am currently in my second year pursuing Integrated Master of Technology in Mathematics and Computing at IIT ISM Dhanbad. The title of my project is Ecoexplorer for Liquid Galaxy. There have been many past projects and current project ideas that look at the various singular aspects of environment and greenery in Liquid Galaxy, like education, information, and awareness. So, my idea is to club them all together into a master interface which will provide a dashboard like application for the various large forests around the world. The dashboard will be provided with four sections. The first section is the information section, which will consist of the various geographical and statistical details. It will also be guided with interactive tours, which will have the voice assistant guiding us to the various points of interest. We have the option to switch it to either story mode or education mode, looking at the taste, age group, and the type of user that we are catering to. Then I have the biodiversity section, in which I will be showcasing the various flora and fauna of that forest using 3D chromatic KMLs and providing details and fun facts about the various species concerned we are talking about. Then I have the environment section, in which I will be providing the details of the various parameters like air quality index, concentration of particulate matters, using colorful graphical representation, which can also be presented in the Liquid Galaxy rig. And finally, I have the catastrophe section, in which I will be showcasing the various forest fires and the historical deforestation map using a mix of web scraping and API fetching. Also, I will have the accessibility feature in my application, in which I will be integrating a voice module to control the whole application. And in addition to that, I have also added a joystick like controller to control the rig, because we have deprecated the use of map synchronization in Liquid Galaxy. I believe that apart from being a great research and educational tool, it will also showcase the visualizations according to Liquid Galaxy's motto of this year. It also serves as a great booster or initializer of a target of UN SPF 2030 to completely eliminate deforestation. Finally, it also provides the message of accessibility, that anyone can control the application without hesitation just by using a single voice command. So that's it from my side. for the proposal defense. Thank you very much.
Gather around community in the glow of our screens. Together we explore where the light of knowledge beams. From cities to the fields, our journey knows no bounds. In this liquid galaxy, unity resounds. Streaming through our visions, in every voice we share. Innovation guides us with every breath of air. Together we to a world you can see through panoramic screens, living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Like the screen window wide to the world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, explore with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. To a world you can see through panoramic screens, living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Like the screen window wide to the world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, explore with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive in the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing